Hi kindergartners! Welcome back to Math with Miss Hulsart. Today we are going to be finishing up our unit on making 5 and 6. We've done lots and lots of work on how we can build numbers, specifically the numbers 5 and 6. Today you're going to get to choose which game you play, and you have 2 worksheets to complete. Let's take a look. It says make 6. In each row, color the 2 cards that make 6. So you're going to have to think about, what do I know about ways to make 6? Now we know rows go across, so there are 4 cards here. I have to decide which 2 I can put together to make 6. Now it's going to be a little bit hard to color on the computer. You can try with yellow, but it just kind of colors over it. We probably don't want to do that. So what you're probably going to want to do is to mark them. You can draw a circle around them. That might be the easiest way to find the 2 cards that make 6. You're going to do this 4 times. You've got row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Remember, when you're done, you're going to click Turn In the bottom right. You're going to click the check to turn that work into your teacher. Your next option, kindergartners, is to pick which game you want to play. There are 2. You can either play Toss the Chips or you can play Racing Bears. It's up to you. Whichever one was your favorite, you can go back and play. I'll remind you quickly. Toss the Chips, you pick the number, so maybe I want to play with 7 this time. I'm going to bring it up to 7. I'm going to toss them and then fill in how many red and how many yellow. 5. And then I'm going to keep playing. Your other option is to play Racing Bears. This one I think you might like. You might play this one. You're going to roll the dice. You're going to move your bears. Keep going and going. And then whoever gets all the way to the end, Miss Hulsart cheated, you would collect one of those counters and then go back. Either game you can play. It's up to you. Now the last thing you're going to do is a little bit trickier. It says inventory bags, buttons. Your inventory bag has buttons in it. There are 15 buttons in the bag. 15 buttons in the bag. The buttons are red, blue, and yellow. Show how many of each color button could be in your bag. You can choose how you want to show this, but you need to find a way to show 15 buttons that are red, blue, or yellow. Now, one thing I might do is put out 15 cubes to start with. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because once I know I have 15, then I can go back and make some of them red by coloring right over them. A red and a red and a red. I can make some of them blue, just like that. And I can make some of them yellow. You don't have to use cubes like Miss Hulsart did. You can draw 15 circles and go back and color them with your red, blue, and yellow. You can use these number 10 frames. You have red, blue, and yellow you could use on a counter. It's up to you, however you want to do it. At the bottom, I should see a number sentence. I saw a lot of my friends got tricked with some of our other work, and they drew really nice pictures without any numbers. That makes it an art drawing, not a math drawing. So at the bottom, I need to see numbers that correspond with your picture. As always, make sure you turn your work into your teacher so you can get credit for all of your hard work. Have fun! Good luck, kindergartners!